So POCO X5 and X5 Pro, this both of them belongs to the X5 series na kaka-release lang ni POCO kamakailan lang. Now, here my table, I have both units and both of them comes with a 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. And in this video, papakita ko sa inyo ang differences between these two phones, kung ano dapat nyo piliin, which one would suit your needs. So tara, simulan muna natin. So hi guys, I'm Sarili ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So I have both units dito, POCO X5 and X5 Pro. So sabihin ko muna sa inyo ang presyo nito. Ang POCO X5 comes with a 6 GB of RAM, 120 gigs of storage. Ang kanyang presyo is 14,999. And there's the higher variant na meron natin dito sa table ko, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage at 15,999. Now, dito sa kabila is the POCO X5 Pro. It has the 6 GB of RAM, 120 GB of storage. It will come at a price of 16,999. And of course, the higher variant, the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, comes with a price tag of 18,999. Pag tinignan natin ang kanyang price difference between these two phones, with the higher variant, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, may 3,000 pesos na difference. Now, ipapakita ko in this video ang kanilang differences between these two phones, starting of course with the design, kung what's inside the package. Basically, sa loob ng package, so makikita mo sa aking full review, which I will link on the description box below or pwede natin nandito sa link dito sa taas. Now, bubuksan muna natin, no? So, kita natin on both of this phone, it has the same small box inside. So, inside this one, hindi na natin bubuksan kasi nasa full review naman natin. It contains the jelly case, documentation, and SIM ejector tool. So, itabi muna natin. So, kita natin ang dalawang handset dito. So, ilabas muna natin. So, this is the X5. And this is the X5 Pro. So, sa design, magkaiba sila, no? And of course, pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung kayang charger. So, this one comes with a 33 watts of fast charging. And ang Pro version has a 67 watts. So, itabi na natin. So, parang ito na yung marker natin sa gilid, no? So, X5 here on this right side and X5 Pro here on my left side. So, pag tinignan natin yung kanyang camera bump, it's almost the same. Hindi sila nagkakalayo ang kanyang designs. Almost exactly the same. Now, pagdating naman sa design, it's a lot different. So, si X5 having that curved design and si X5 Pro having that more edgy and squarish design. Now, boot up natin sila ng pareho sabay. Let's see who would boot up faster. So, surprisingly, mas nauna nag-boot up si X5 even though sabay ko sila in no? So guys, nakita na natin ang display na itong dalawang phone na ito. Now, both of them has AMOLED display. And pareho sila 6.67 inch ang kanyang display. Probably for me, mas advantageous itong display ni Pro version dahil mas malaki ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio. It has a 87% screen-to-body ratio versus 85% dito sa X5 na phone. So, pagdating sa protection, magkaiba din sila. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 sa X5 and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 dito sa X5 Pro. Both have side frames na plastic and back case na plastic as well. Both of them comes with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and of course, there's some difference between sa kanila pagdating sa max brightness. Si X5 meron siya 1,200 nits ang max brightness but si X5 Pro, mas mababa siya at 900 nits. Pero si Pro support niya ang Dolby Vision and HDR10+ on the upper hand. Pagdating sa user interface, well, si POCO X5 is still running the MIUI 13, while si POCO X5 Pro is running the latest MIUI 14. Upon checking dito sa kanya, ang kanyang update is still a 13. Probably soon, magkakaroon na rin siya ng 14. So pagdating naman sa kanyang display, makikita natin si POCO X5 Pro, ang white na is a lot whiter than this one. So ilagay natin both sila sa kanyang max brightness para makita natin, no, ang tunay na kulay nila. So, yeah. So, still, for me, dito sa aking mata, I can see na mas maputi pa rin si POCO X5 Pro. Kaya kita natin, medyo mas evident, no? Pero, pag nilower natin kunti ang brightness, doon natin makita na talagang mas maputi, di hamak, ang Pro variant. Ayan. Pagdating naman sa chipset, si X5 is sporting the Snapdragon 695. Meanwhile, sa kabila, si X5 Pro is sporting the 778G na 5G ni Snapdragon. By the way, both are 5G ready. So, tinry natin both nito sa Globe sa Smart na 5G. Okay, mabilis naman sila sumagap, so no problem with that. Pagdating sa RAM, both sila, meron sila extended RAM na 3 gig. And both of them are running Android 12, by the way. Now, right now, both of these phones, nanonood tayo ng video, I could hardly tell the difference dahil almost the same naman ang kanyang resolution. And mas max lang ang brightness talaga ng X5 kasi mas mataas ang kanyang nits. But in terms of quality, well, I can say na I could hardly tell kung sinong mas lamang among the two of them. So both of them, meron siyang wide security level na level 1, so pwede ka manood ng HD. So both of them, pag i-scroll mo on social media, halos same lang naman sila, no? I don't feel na any one of them is naiiwan. Pero parang mas smooth lang konti dito kay X5 Pro. I'm not sure why, or dahil siguro sa internet ko. Pero hindi naman sila masyado nagkakalaya. So, i-browse din natin si TikTok. So far, okay naman. Smooth naman sila pareho. Wala namang naging problema browsing on TikTok. Now, pagdating naman sa battery, both of them 5,000 mAh. And si X5 can support 32 watts of fast charging. Si X5 Pro can support 67 watts of fast charging. Mas mabilis mag-charge definitely kay X5 Pro. And a little bit slower si X5. And pagdating naman sa battery endurance, mas lamang din si X5 dahil si Snapdragon 6 series has a better na battery efficiency as opposed sa 7 series. So, ito makita natin, 15 hours ang screen time kay X5 and 12 hours kay X5 Pro. On daily usage, both of them kaya naman nila magtagal ng one whole day. So, for me, wala mong problema. And probably depende naman sa usage nyo if you're using just for social media, for calls, and for some video chat and watching some videos, not too much on the heavy games. Both of them, kayang-kaya magtagal naman ng one whole day. So, ngayon, check lang natin ang maximum settings na kaya ibigay ni Call of Duty Mobile on both of these devices. No? So, tingnan natin sa graphics. Okay? Both of them almost have identical settings. Ito ang settings ni X5. And ito naman settings ni X5 Pro. Lamang lang siya dito, meron siyang ultra na frame rate na pwede mo i-select. Pero of course, syempre, pag sinelect mo yan, bababa ang iyong graphics quality. Mapapanood niyo sa aking full review ang gameplay ng both phones. And I can see na definitely you would play it better sa 778G na present dito sa POCO X5 Pro, no doubt. Kain naman natin ang camera module nito, both phones nito, si POCO X5. It has a 48MP na main sensor, 8MP na ultra wideness, and a 2MP na macro lens. Meanwhile, dito sa kabila, it has a 108MP na main sensor, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP na macro. And pagdating sa harap, si X5 has a 13MP and si X5 Pro has a 16MP na front-facing shooter. Now, ang limitation naman natin pagdating sa Snapdragon 695, alam natin, no? Ang kanyang video recording capability can give you only a 1080p and 30fps. Meanwhile, dito sa kabila, you can record up to 4K and 30fps. Now, pagdating naman sa pictures, well, definitely si X5 Pro will blow you away dahil mga pictures niya is definitely much sharper, better, and pagdating sa video recording, well, wala akong masabi. Definitely better si X5 Pro as opposed kay X5. Si X5, mapapansin mo medyo a little bit softer. Now, pagdating sa selfie shot, definitely si X5 Pro is still better. So, pagdating naman sa Antutu benchmark, medyo lamang talaga ng husto si X5 Pro ng 130,000 points. Now, ito ang conclusion ko, guys, no? If you're somebody na looking for a phone that can give you a good gaming experience and of course, maganda ka ng camera, definitely take the X5 Pro, no doubt. But if you're somebody na on a casual basis, taking just some shots, but more of you're looking to use it for social media, and you're looking na mas mura ang phone and better battery life, I would take the POCO X5. So, yan basically ang take ko dito sa dalawang phone na ito. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss sa mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?